In today's video, I'm going to teach you the Miro mindset. How to think visually and work as one team. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. The Miro mindset is a shift away from linear, text-heavy documents and into a world where the canvas becomes your shared brain. Instead of squeezing ideas into slides or pages, you use space, visuals, and structure to boost productivity, alignment, and clarity. First, embrace the infinite canvas. Stop planning as if you'll run out of room. Spread ideas out, then let the layout do part of the thinking. Place related items close together to signal connection, scale important items larger so they stand out, and use arrows to communicate flow or dependencies. Zoom out to map strategy, then zoom in to capture details in the very same board. This continuity helps everyone see how the big picture and the day-to-day work connect without jumping between files. Next, prioritize clarity through structure using frames and layouts. Brainstorms can be messy, your output should not be. Frames act like a table of contents your team can navigate. Title them clearly: Think, 1. Agenda, 2. Risks, 3. Action items, so anyone can follow the storyline. After a messy ideation session, lean on auto layout and AI clustering to instantly tidy stickies and group themes. Let the tool handle alignment and spacing so you can focus on meaning, not manual formatting. Shift your posture from presenting to facilitating and collaborating. Miro isn't a slide deck, it's a live workspace. Invite people to contribute simultaneously so ideas build in real time. And when schedules don't align, work asynchronously. Record a walkthrough with TalkTrack to narrate context on your own time, and use threaded comments to gather feedback where the work lives. This reduces meeting overload and preserves decisions right next to the artifacts they affect. Finally, think in integrations and workflow, not just whiteboard. A sticky note should never die on the board. Convert it into an action in the tools your team already uses. Send it to Slack to spark a conversation or create a Jira ticket to move it into delivery. Use cards and tables that sync with external project management systems so your visuals stay connected to live data. Manage information once, then view it everywhere. Add links back to the Miro board so execution and context stay connected. Adopting the Miro mindset helps you move from taking notes to building shared understanding, aligning teams visually, and turning ideas into outcomes faster. Try it on your next board. Think spatially, structure clearly, collaborate live or async, and connect everything to your workflow. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.